Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is nwaezeedavid, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to form an LLC in the USA using Firstbase. Now before I share my screen with you and show you step by step how this is done, I would like to point out that you can form an LLC in the USA no matter the country you're from, as long as you have the right information and the right tools, which I'm going to be giving you in this video. So make sure you pay close attention and watch this video to the end. Now, if you're ready to register your business in America, go ahead right now and join me as I share my screen and show you how this is done. Let's go. Alright, so when you click on the link in the description of this video, you get straight to this page. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on Start My Company. Now, click on this button. You're going to be taken to the page where you're going to start entering the details of your business registration. Alright, so this page is going to load up. So you're going to select the type of business you want to register. Is it an LLC? Or is it a corporation? You can select a C Corp or an LLC. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, we are forming an LLC, so I'm going to select an LLC and click on Continue. Now, once you've done that, you're going to select the state where you want to register your LLC. Now, there are two options here. There's Delaware and there is Wyoming. Now, because you're forming an LLC, Wyoming is the recommended option for LLC. So go ahead and select it. Okay, so recommended for LLC is due to lower annual operating costs and flexibility. So you are not paying any corporate income tax or annual franchise tax. So this is the best state to form your LLC in the US using this Firstbase. Okay, so select Wyoming and click on Continue. Now the next stage is for you to review. Okay, review your payment. So click on Go to Payments. You are forming an LLC in Wyoming. You click on Payment. Then you need to enter your details. Enter your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm your email address, then enter your password and confirm your password. You can sign up. And once you make sure the details you are entering here is correct, your first name, your last name, it will be used to create your account. Then from your dashboard, you're able to monitor the progress of your business. So go ahead and click on that, and then do this recapture this to prove that you are not a robot. So select one a bicycle. This is bicycle. I think we're done. Then click on verify. Good, that's verified. It's going to create an account for us right now. Okay, once the account is created, you'll be able to make your payment. Now select the currency you want to pay in. This is very important. You select the currency. Let's say if you want to pay in dollars, let's put dollars. Now, if you don't want to pay in dollars, you can scroll down here and see if your currency is. One thing I love about Firstbase is that it's available to everyone. Let's say you want to pay in, let's say you're in Nigeria, for instance, you want to pay in Naira. You're gonna pay. You select the currency and you pay. You see the amount you're gonna pay in Naira. Okay. If you are in the US or kind of any country you're in, just select the country and then you make payment in that country. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna select the currency I'm gonna pay in. Now, okay, let me just leave it to US dollar. I want to continue on US dollar. It's kind of a default currency for everyone, so I'm gonna leave it in US dollar. Then we'll click on proceed payments. Now, if you don't have a card that can pay in dollar, go ahead and select the card that can pay in your currency. Okay, select it, then click on proceed to payment. Now once you have clicked on that, a form where you're going to make payments is going to come up. Okay, this is your checkout to take you straight to Stripe. Now Stripe, this is where you're going to make your payments. Select the payment, your card details, enter your card details, and then make payments. And see here, you're paying $399. It sees your details, your card details, and etc. So once you have made your payment, you've already entered your name, your email address, and password. Once you made payment, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you can now enter further details about your company. Okay, you know your company, you know the business you're doing best, so you're gonna explain exactly what your business is all about, so that the system will not customize a package for you and help you register your business faster. Okay, so that's covered it. So after you're making a payment, that's pretty much it. After you made your payment, you will log into your dashboard and then proceed and then monitor your progress of your business. And within a few days, your business registration will be completed. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide showing you how to form an LLC in the USA no matter the country you are from. Now, I will recommend that you take advantage of this and make sure your business is registered in the USA. There are so many advantages doing this. So go ahead right now, follow through the tutorial step by step, watch this video again and follow through my steps to register a business in America. Now, I've done something for you and I need you to do something for me in return. I'll need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and share this video with your friends. Now, when you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified anytime I upload a video like this. Also, the link to Firstbase sign up is in the description of this video or below this video. Go ahead right now and click on it, and I'll see you in the next video.